A warm welcome to all of you. Myself, Shabana Anjum, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management. I am from Government First Grade College, Chikbalapur. The session for today's discussion is session 49 of Advertising and Media Management subject for 5th SEM BBA students of Bangalore North University. The topic for today's discussion is structure and functions of an advertising agency. So in our previous class, as you people know, we had the discussion on types of advertising research. So the learning objective of this chapter is to provide an understanding of methods of advertising effectiveness and organizing advertising functions. So the session outcome of this chapter is the students will be able to understand the methods of advertising effectiveness and organizing advertising functions. Now let us know the meaning of advertising agency. An advertising agency or advert agency is a service business dedicated to creating, planning, and handling advertising for its clients. An ad agency is independent from the client and provides an outside point of view to the effort of selling the client's products or services. An agency can also handle overall marketing and branding strategies and sales promotions for its clients. Typical ad agency clients include businesses and corporations, non-profit organizations, and government agencies. Agencies may be hired to produce television commercials and radio commercials as part of an advertising campaign. Now let us move on to the structure of an advertising agency. The structure of an agency is best explained by reporting relationships or which positions supervises other positions. If we have a clear structure of the agency, including departments with managers and direct reports underneath, you have a basic top-down structure. Now let us move on to the functions of advertising agency. The first function of advertising agency is attracting clients, followed by research function, advertising planning, creative function, media selection, advertising budget, coordination, sales promotion, marketing research, non-advertising functions, public relations. So let us move on to the detailed discussion of functions of advertising agency. In this first we have got it is attracting clients. Advertising agency needs clients. Without them, it cannot survive. Second, research function. Advertising agency gathers information related to the client's product. It collects following information about a product under its research function. The information that it would like to collect is features, quality, advantages, and limitations of a product. Second, present and future market possibilities. Third, competition in the market. Next, situation in the market. Next, distribution methods. And lastly, buyers' preferences, so on. Next function is advertising planning. Advertising agency plans the entire ad campaign of its client. The next function is creative function. Advertising agency put the advertising plan into action under its creative function. Next is media selection. Advertising agency helps an advertiser to select a proper media to promote his advertisement effectively. Next, advertising budget. Advertising agency helps an advertiser to prepare his ad budget. It helps him to use his budget economically and make the best use of it. Next is coordination. Advertising agency brings a good coordination between the advertiser itself, media, and distributors. This is a very important function. Next, we have got sales promotion. Advertising agency performs sales promotion. It helps an advertiser to introduce sales promotion measures for the dealers and consumers. Next we have got is marketing research. Advertising agency helps its clients to solve the marketing problems. It does so by conducting a marketing research for them. Next, we have got non-advertising functions. Advertising agency also performs many non-advertising functions like it fixes the prices of the product, it determines the discounts, it designs the product, it also designs its package, trademarks, labels, etc. And lastly, it is public relations. Advertising agency does the public relations work for its clients. Now we have got multiple choice questions. So the first one is an advertising agency or advert agency is a service business dedicated to creating, planning, and handling advertising for its customers, competitors, clients, or none of the above. So the answer is clients. Next is ad agency clients include ad agency clients include businesses and corporations, non-profit organizations, and government agencies, or is it all of the above? So the answer is all of the above. Third question. Advertising agency cannot survive without, is it consumers or competitors or clients or none of the above? So the answer is clients. Advertising agency brings a good coordination between the advertiser or itself or media and distributors, or is it all of the above? So the answer is all of the above. Next, advertising agency for its clients also designs package, trademarks, labels, or is it all of the above? So the answer is all of the above. So coming to the last part, it is references. So these are some of the websites what I have used for the preparation of this session asset. So with this, I would like to conclude. Thank you.